Forget your troubles, come on, get happy. You better chase all your cares away. Shout hallelujah, come on, get happy. Get ready for the judgment day. The sun is shining, come on, get happy. The Lord is waiting to take your hand. Shout hallelujah, come on, get happy.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another makeup tutorial for you, as you can see. And this is one inspired actually by Judy Garland. So it's inspired by this picture right here. Can you see that? And it's something that I've tried to recreate today, and I've kind of toned it down a bit because all of the colours in this were super saturated and bright. So I've toned down like the blush a little bit, and the eyes are a bit different, but it was still really inspired, and I thought it was such a pretty look that I just really wanted to bring to this channel. And it features this really pretty bold copper eyeliner, bright red lip, and some pretty pink cheeks. I think it's such a fun and colourful look that will look good on so many people, so many skin tones. This will be really flattering for pretty much anyone I can think of could pull off this look so well. So I'm really excited to share it with you. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe if you like my channel. I'm trying to make content that you all really enjoy, and I'm just really trying hard to work on my channel. So please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and comment and tell me what you like about it. And I will see you in my next video, and let's get on to the tutorial.
Starting off with a face full of skincare, my skin is really nice and soft and moisturised, but you can see that it's quite shiny, so I'm going to be reducing the shine before applying my makeup with these little blotting papers. These ones are from Boux Avenue. You just tear out a sheet and then pat the pink powdered side over your face to reduce shine, and it absorbs oils, makes your skin nice and matte before makeup, and this is a step I love to do, and I also take these out with me to mattify throughout the day so I don't have to take a face powder. And next I'm using my favourite Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation. I know I don't really switch up my foundation very much, but it's because I know that this one works and I love it so much, and it gives me such a nice healthy radiant look to my face, which I thought was appropriate for kind of a movie star look. Then I'm just quickly concealing underneath my eyes with my tried and trusty Lancôme concealer palette. I use a lot of high-end products in this video, but you really don't need to. You can find so many affordable dupes in like Boots or Superdrug or anywhere like that. And then I'm just priming my eyes for the bold eyeshadows. And then I'm going into lip liner. I was doing things in a bit of a strange order this day, and I'm making sure to give quite a pronounced Cupid's bow because that's what Judy has in general, but especially in this photo. And then for the base for the lipstick, I'm first applying a matte shaker. This is in a bright orange colour. It's called Magic Orange, and I love it. I think it really warms up your skin to have kind of an orangey coral lip. And I'm applying this now to let it dry before the lipstick at the very end, and then it's straight onto brows. I'm using a brow pomade. This is really nice. It's by L'Oréal Paris, and I'm just filling in my brows as I normally would, just filling in any sparse areas. Judy's brows were very thin and arched, as was the style per the time, but I'm going to keep it a little bit more modern. Then to set my brows, I've actually been using a clear mascara. This is just by Collection. You can get it for like £2, and it sets my brows really nicely, so I love it. Then I am going in with face powder. This is the One Heck of a Blot face powder from Soap & Glory. I'm just dabbing this all over my face with a large fluffy powder brush to set my makeup against the heat or cold or whatever I might come up against, so it lasts all day. Now for my eye makeup, which is kind of the star of the look, I guess. I'm first applying a matte highlight onto the brow bone, and then going in with a muted warm brown shade into the crease and on the lower lash line. This isn't really so much to like contour the eye or anything and provide definition, because I'm also applying it all over my lid. It's more just so that the bolder shadows have something to blend out into, and they're not so stark and just on their own. They have the brown to kind of fade out. Then for the beautiful gold, I'm using my favourite actually gold eyeshadow, which is Honey Pot from the Natural Love eyeshadow palette. It's such a rich, gorgeous, bright gold shade, and it picks up so beautifully, really enhances any eye color. And then I'm going in with the eyeliner. Now the eyeliner is kind of the star of the look in the picture. The way that her face and her eyes are angled, you can pretty much only see this beautiful copper eye color. I'm using Hot and Bothered from the Too Faced palette because I thought it looked like a shadow consistency. You could use a pencil or even a liquid eyeliner if you have one in this copper color. I'm keeping it quite thick because that's what it looked like in the picture. It looks like it took up a lot of lid space, and using a thin eyeliner brush to do this. And then I'm going in with more of that honey pot mixed a tiny bit with Satin Sheets, which is a lighter gold, onto the inner corner, because this was another key part of the look. I noticed she had that saturated gold right onto the inner corner, and it really added a gorgeous kind of pop and glow to the look, which I wanted to recreate. This eye look is so fun, but it's also so easy to do, which is why I love it so much. And then I'm applying my favorite mascara, of course. I'm sorry I don't really ever switch out my mascara, but this is just the best one that I've ever tried. And I also have a lot of it, so I feel like it's wasteful to go out and buy a new mascara, even though this one is quite expensive. I have this one, and then I have another couple of tubes stashed away, so I love this. It's my favorite. Then I'm doing a cute little golden highlight on the tip of my nose and on my cheekbones with Satin Sheets, which is again that lighter golden shadow from the Too Faced palette. I think this just adds a really nice glow to the face, and I thought Judy had a little bit of a glow. And now for the blusher. Okay, the blush in the picture was very, very intense, bold, bright pink, and it almost looked a little clownish. Obviously it fits perfectly for her because it's a photo, but for everyday wear I am taking this bright Lancôme blush and applying it fairly heavily to my cheeks, and then blending out and taking a makeup sponge to tap off some of the excess product so it's not quite so stark and in your face. But I like colour on my face, so I don't mind if it's a little heavy. Now for my gorgeous Rouge in Love lipstick in 174B. I use this in one of my Valentine's makeup tutorials. It's just a gorgeous, perfect, bright red, but with a really nice orange coral undertone. And then once you've applied that, you have your Judy Garland look.
Jack.